In a high-capacity refinery, silence is the most expensive sound you will ever hear. When critical equipment stops, production slows, costs rise, and operational risk increases instantly. Operating around the clock, every minute of unexpected downtime meant lost production and rising costs. Traditional inspections could not keep pace with the complexity of modern industrial assets. We transformed maintenance with a predictive intelligence platform built for real industrial operations. Instead of waiting for failures, the refinery could now detect early warning signs before disruption occurred. Thousands of IoT data points continuously monitored vibration, temperature, pressure, and performance metrics. Our AI-powered prediction engine analyzed these signals in real time, identifying microscopic anomalies weeks before failure. Maintenance teams moved from emergency response to planned intervention. So the results were transformative. Unplanned downtime dropped by 85%, with 95% prediction accuracy. Maintenance costs fell by 30%, saving more than $5 million annually. The refinery shifted from costly reactive repairs to proactive data-driven operations. The future of industrial operations is not reacting to problems, it is preventing them. Ready to build your digital guardian? Contact